So hello guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn a way in which we can dynamically add a view or a button or a widget on the screen, and we can also learn a way to remove already present widget or button from the screen. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So guys, this is our blank screen. There is no widget on it. So now let's dynamically generate or make a button on this screen. For this, we will go into the code mode of Android Studio. And from here we can see our main layout is constraint layout. So it lacks an attribute called ID. So we will allocate an ID to it. Let's give some ID. And from here we will give ID as main layout. Save it, and now let's come towards the code of the main activity. So from here, first of all, we will access this layout, constraint layout called. So from here we will So our constraint layout has been accessed. Now let's make a button instance and add that instance to this layout, and our button will be dynamically added on this layout. So let's do it. For this I will make a button. My button is equal to So let's give a text to this button as my dynamic button. Now let's give some constraints to this button. Set layout parameters. New constraint layout parameter, and from here we will layout parameters, and we will give the wrap content. And in the same way I will select the height and width to the wrap content. So our button has been instanced. Now let's add this button to our main layout. So main layout dot add view. So here we will give our view. So guys, this is enough. Now let's select our device. So now let's select our device and compile this code into our device. Let's wait a while until Android Studio build and flash this project in our Android phone. So guys, as you can see here, our application is launched and my button is dynamically generated and being present on our screen. So this was a way to add the button programmatically or dynamically on the screen. You can add any type of view on the screen. Now let's delete all this thing. We will make a view or button on the screen. Now let's give some constraints. Now let's compile again the code. So guys, our button is appearing on the vertically center on the screen. So now we will learn a way to remove this button dynamically with the help of code. For this, let's see the ID of the button. This is button 2. Now let's come to the main activity code, and from here First of all, we will access this button. So our button has been accessed. Now take an instance of view group and from here get its parent and remove view from my button. So guys, this is the code to remove the button with the help of code from the screen. Now let's select the device and compile this code into our Android phone. Okay guys, as you can see here, our button is vanished from the screen. So we have programmatically removed the view from the screen. Now let's come to the design mode. And you can see here our button is present here, but we have removed this button with the help of code. So guys, hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like, share our video. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to our channel.